Navy Vet 76 out at the range. I brought my Pedersoli 45 caliber percussion cap round ball reproduction Kentucky Long rifle out today. I want to hunt deer with it, and I've been working on different powders and different ball diameters and patch sizes, and I think I've found the one that works. I've run 3 downrange with FFG Goex powder, 70 grains, and a 445 thousandths diameter ball with a 15 thousandths lubed patch. And I had 1 flyer, and the last 2 were right in the bullseye. So there's 3 down there now. And I'm going to run a few more and see if I actually have what I need for deer season. Now I run a wet patch lubed with boar butter down the bore after each shot, and then a dry patch, and then I load the rifle. So it's getting swabbed between each load. And this is the first time I've had this gun shoot pretty decent. Just got to try different ball combinations and powder grains of powder, and I think I've settled on 70 grains at the moment with the Goex FFG. I tried 2F, it just didn't work very well. It suggested I start with 2F, and I just couldn't get it to group. So hopefully I haven't spoke too soon. I'm going to run a few more. I'll let you see me shoot 1 because there's such a delay between each loading. I'll probably run 3 more down. You'll watch me shoot 1, and then we'll go down the range and see what we did. Something I wanted to show you is this little tool right here. It has a CO2 canister in it. I guess you can use it to inflate bicycle tires and stuff like that. And it comes with a little adapter on here, and you can slip that over the nipple of your gun, your rifle, if you have a misfire, or you forget to put powder in the gun and you load the ball in there. I had a misfire today. I tried clearing it and the nipple and putting a new cap on there, and it wouldn't fire. So what you do is you put this over the nipple and squeeze the trigger, and it has enough pressure to blow the ball and clear the barrel, so you can load your next round. Pretty handy tool to have. I had a ball stuck in one of my rifles for a while. I ordered this one off of eBay.
All right.
And it works pretty good.
Down range. Ready on the line, load fire.
thing hurts a little bit. Oh, I guess I spoke too soon. There's the two I was bragging about, and then this one, and then the rest of them were over here. So I had a few misfires, so I had to clear the barrel. I think it's because I got boar butter into the nipple area when I was swabbing it with boar butter. So I think I'm grouping over here. I need to take a few more shots and work with it some more. Make sure that it's grouping here, and then I can adjust my sight to move it over to the right a little bit, and then maybe my elevation up. I don't know if that was just a fluke or what, but that's where we're at on that Pedersoli .45 caliber Kentucky Long rifle.